Okay, so this is Claret Kanen coffee. We've done a tune-up on this machine. That involved replacing this screen here, which comes out of the brew head. This one was a little bit old, so we needed to replace that, and the gasket. While we had those removed, we cleaned up inside the head there. The machine was in pretty good condition, it's lovely. Okay, and then we did descale the machine, and now it's ready to do a test shot. Running out at a nice rate. And keep it going. Do the 25 seconds. Okay, that's looking good for my shot. Just going to switch that off now. I'm just going to run the steam once so that you can see that that's working as well. Just get a jug here. Okay, so here's the steam. And then just to show that there's water running fine as well over here. Down there. There we go. Coming out fine. Alright, and that's the testing done. It's all ready to go.